How much does a measure building survey cost? Before starting a build or renovation, you need to know your budget. So what should you expect to pay for a measure building survey? In the UK, typical measure building surveys cost from around £1,500 for very small properties to many thousands of pounds for large and complex buildings. At Laser Surveys, each measure building survey is priced site by site, meaning costs vary depending on the size, complexity, required deliverables and the location of the property. Costs depend on several factors: building size and number of floors. The bigger the building, the pricier it is. Complexity of the building, whether it is open plan or has a large number of individual rooms. Complexity of the architecture, ornate facades or irregular layouts take longer. Location, urban areas or restricted access sites may incur extra costs. Level of detail required, high-spec briefs might require sockets, lighting or MEP. Deliverables, do you want 2D plans only or full 3D BIM-ready models? If you want to know exactly what your survey will cost, Laser Surveys provides free, personalised quotes based on your building, location and required deliverables. Contact us today for your tailored measure building survey quote and start your project with complete clarity.